Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about the Omicron, the new mutant of coronavirus. The title is Omicron Hanging Fire Till Mars Red Planet Activates Eclipse Points of the Lunar Eclipse on the 9th and on the solar solar eclipse on the 30th December 2021. These two dates will only open how the virus is going to behave. Looking into since the eclipses are visible in South Africa only according to the horoscope of South Africa, and the activation of Mars on the eclipse point will open up. Although for South Africa it is most venomous, but how it will behave has to be seen. What is going to be the intensity? So I have discussed in this article. So let me read it out. My predictions till date have been spot on the virus spread, even for the ease in the first wave and then the second wave. I have written 3 articles and made 1 video for the same, and that was my last article. Now, those articles were new variant coronavirus in Pretoria creates emergency-like situations across the globe as predicted, and the date was already predicted as 10th, 11th, 2021, and the first case was diagnosed on the 9th of November. Total solar eclipse 4th December, 4-planet cluster in Scorpio and Mars about to join, most venomous for Omicron. Then the third one is new COVID variant Omicron looms over the globe. My astrology predictions prove spot on for the virus and stock markets. Even for the stock markets, my predictions have been spot on. Now, talking about the present thing, more panic than actual effects. It seems that the virus is not that serious, as a matter of fact, till now. And more of panic is created. But after Mars activates the eclipse point on the 9th December and 30th December, only then we will be able to know. And if Mars activates, normally when Mars activates, things explode. And then the second parameter will come in operation is that at the moment Venus is in the sign Sagittarius, the sign from where the coronavirus started. It is going to join Capricorn on the 8th of December and have aspect of Saturn. And then on the 19th of December it is going to go in retrogression. It will come back in Sagittarius as a foreign planet, like the 30th June 2020 when Jupiter was fallen in the sign Sagittarius and the coronavirus surged like anything beyond expectations. So, and then Venus is going to be there from 31st December till 27th February 2022. And on the 27th February, there's going to be planetary war. There are going to be 5 planets in the sign Capricorn, the 10th house of the natural zodiac. There's going to be planetary war between Venus and Mars. So many things are going to happen. So we have to wait and see the dates 8th, 9th, 30th and 31st. They are the most important dates, and they would really tell us what is going to happen in the future. Already cases have been seen in India as far as Bombay is concerned. So many people 1,000 people have come from South Africa to Bombay. Some cases have been diagnosed in Chandigarh, and even in India has been influenced. Canada has been influenced, and so many other countries. A total of 11 to 13 countries, you know, have been affected because people have traveled from South Africa to about 13 countries. So we have to wait and see what is the effect of this travel and how serious is this virus. But let me tell you one thing. Since the eclipse of the 4th December is taking place in a Jesta star, it is most venomous, it is Tikshan, drawn, bitter and ferocious. And remember, when Ketu was in Jesta star, the second wave, took place, and I had predicted that after Ketu leaves Jesta, only then we'll get some ease. The other thing is, the world's most ugliest things and most venomous things have happened when Mars has been in Jesta star. So, right from 5th of December till 16th of January, till Mars is in the sign Scorpio, will be most venomous, as a matter of fact. And all this conjunction will take in the 7th house of the India Foundation chart. So we have to see. And 6th Lord of India is Venus, and it is going to go in the sign Capricorn and come back in the sign Sagittarius, the 8th house, as a fallen planet. 6th Lord placed in the 8th house as a fallen planet is most venomous. It is definitely affect India and all those countries who have Taurus sign. So, and wherever Venus is falling in Trik Bhavas as a fallen planet, especially the 6th, 8th and 12th house. So this is all, friends. I just wanted to say there's nothing to create panic right now, because it says that the symptoms are mild at the moment, but how they are going to behave will only be known once Mars activates the eclipse point. So let us wait and see how things are, but definitely it will trouble the world till for 3 months, 3 to 3.5 months, because the eclipses period, they show that the minimum effect will be for 90 days. So, and the moment Ketu leaves the sign Scorpio, there will be some ease. So friends, this is all I just wanted to say. Just wanted to share with you that the planetary positions are most venomous, and the 4th December eclipse is taking place in the star Jesta at 18 degrees. So this is extremely venomous, and Mars will reach this degree on the 30th of December. So Mars will open up the secret, and the explosion as far as the virus is concerned we would come to know first on the 9th of December because of the lunar eclipse, and then because of the solar eclipse on the 30th December 2021. And 31st, Venus is going to fall back in the sign Sagittarius. So let us see how things behave, but there's nothing to panic. We must maintain the social distancing and wash our hands, sanitize things properly, and do not go in crowded places. So this is all, friends. I have already mentioned, as per the eclipse, that we should not go in crowded places, because the planetary positions at the time of solar eclipse are on the visible side, and when planets are there on the visible side, it shows crowded places, and the results are also immediate. So this is all, friends. I just wanted to share that nothing to panic. The stock and financial markets will also behave erratically. They will become volatile. With one bad news, there will be a drop in the Nifty, and with one good news, there will be surge in the Nifty index, and the market may fluctuate between 16,500 to 17,500, as can be seen. And after 16th January, I will write an article again after 16th January how things would behave, because then Mars would leave the sign Scorpio and it will join Sagittarius, the 8th house of the India Foundation chart. So that is very important, because then it will activate the Mars in the 2nd house of the India Foundation chart. So let us see how it goes, and best of luck. Thank you for listening to me. Have a good day. Bye bye.